In this video, I want to show you how to access and download country shapefile in Global Mapper Pro and use the shapefile in any GIS software. So let's get started. This is the interface of Global Mapper Pro. When you open Global Mapper Pro to access shapefiles of countries and download it, come to Load Default Data. Click on Load Default Data. This will load the shapefile of the whole world. You can see all countries just by clicking on Load Default Data. It will load the shapefile of countries, and you can palm through to see any specific country of your interest. However, let's assume you want to download this whole data. So to download it, this is what you need to do. Come to the layer in the control center, that is the table of contents. Right click and come to layer. Then come to export layer to a new file. Click on it. Make sure the two countries.gmp and countries.gmp labels are selected. Then click on OK, and here choose the format as shapefile and click on OK. It will bring these tips. Just click on OK. Then it will bring these shapefile export options. So we want to export polygon as shapefile. So check these export areas. So when you click on it, it will prompt you to choose your location. So let's navigate to the location where we want to save it. Let's assume we want to save it here. Give it a name. Let's call it country shapefile. Then click on save. Click on OK. So it will export it to that very folder. Now if I go to that folder, here is it, country shapefile. Now to visualize it in any other GIS software, let's use ArcMap to visualize it. So click on add data, then navigate to that folder, and here is it, country shapefile. Click to select it and click on add. Here click on transformations and click on OK. Then click on close. It has added it to the interface of this GIS software. You can see it. And of course, you can verify. Right click and open the attributes table. You can see the name of all the countries. You can see it here. So this is how to access shapefiles of countries in Global Mapper and download it, and of course visualize it in any other GIS software. If you like this tutorial, give us a like and share. Thank you for watching.